In this video, I want to share with you 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in May that you can use on Ideogram and for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you can get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 prompts for May, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Wednesday, March 5th, 6:07 a.m. in the morning. Got 2 sales, but I've had a pretty good last couple days. So 2 days ago I did 50 sales, $72 in royalties, and yesterday I did almost exactly the same, 54 sales, $73 in royalties. So that is nice to see sales picking up. Oh, and one other thing, I don't think I had any returns. Oh no, I did have 2. I went the whole day without returns. But I guess I got these at night, so I thought I was gonna get the shutout on the returns, but no big deal. That is going to put me at 175 sales for the month and $218 in royalties for the month of March. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California. But I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now that we got the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. Okay, so at the beginning of each month, I make a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in 2 months from now. So now that we're in the beginning of March, we got May coming up in 2 months. So I made 100 prompts, and you can actually purchase these on my PayHip shop if you're interested. I'm running a sale for 50% off. So right here, 100 prompts for May. If you're interested in other prompts, I also have a bunch of holiday prompts that you can get as well for 50% off. So we got like Easter coming up, autism, Pi Day, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras. And then if you're looking for a deal, I have these bundles where you can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50, 175 sports prompts, even wall prompts, Tumblr prompts. If you're interested, take a look here. And also, if you decide to join my SKOOL community, you actually get the 100 prompts that I'm talking about on this video right here for free. All my prompts are included on my SKOOL community. So if you're interested in SKOOL, check out the link in the pinned comment or in the description. But now let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts. So here we are on my Ideogram dashboard. And the way that I break down these Word files is by category. So there's going to be 30 animal prompts, 30 food prompts, there's going to be 15 health and awareness prompts, and then there's going to be 25 job and career prompts. So we're going to start off with the jobs and career one. So it's going to be Lawyer Appreciation Day or Week in May. So we got this first one right here, will give legal advice for tacos. This is a really popular phrase for a lot of other professions. You can just switch out, legal advice and put in other type of professions right here. Tacos also sell very well on merch. So good, funny design right there. It actually turned out pretty nice. Next one is going to be Forget Princess, I Want to Be a Lawyer. I like this one because it's focused more towards women. Here we have I Don't Need a Good Lawyer, I Raised One. I'm a lawyer. My level of sarcasm depends on your level of stupidity. I think this could work well on a mug. For mugs, you want to sell on white mugs, and you'd have to change the text or the design to black. And we got Lawyer Dad, like a regular dad, but more awesome. This is another very popular phrase where you can take a profession, cross niche it with dad, and then use this funny definition right here that says like a regular dad, but more awesome or cooler. Here we got beware my uncle is a lawyer. This can be scaled to all the other demographics like mom, dad, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa. I'm a mom and a lawyer. Nothing scares me. Again, this is another popular design phrase that we've seen do very well over the years, where it says I'm a mom or I'm a dad and then you pop in the profession and then you type in nothing scares me. I'm not arguing. I'm practicing for law school. So this is good for students who will be graduating law school. Born to argue, another funny one. Here we got, correctional officer. So you raise them, we cage them. That's a good design right here. I'm a dad and a correctional officer. Nothing scares me. Kind of like this one right here. No guns, just guts. I don't know why there's 2 there. Here we got criminal babysitter. This one actually turned out good. I also really like this one right here. Fear. Is it in the vocabulary of a correctional officer? So those are the correctional officer ones. Now we got a fighter, so it's going to be Firefighter Awareness or Appreciation Day in May. So being a firefighter is a choice. Being a retired firefighter is an honor. These actually turned out really nice as well. Ideogram seems to keep getting better. They have this new version now, 2A. I believe I actually use these ones on just regular 2, but you might even be able to get better ones with the 2A version. I backed the red for my daughter, proud dad of a firefighter. Future firefighter. He is not just a firefighter, he is my daddy. Actually, there's a good amount of firefighter ones. Dad, the firefighter, the myth, the legend. Another good phrase, design phrase that we've seen sell very well over the year. My uncle is my favorite firefighter. Retired firefighters make the best grandpas. So here, this is a really good one because I love these niches where you take 3 niches. So we're taking firefighters, we're cross niche it with grandpa, and then we're cross niche it with retired. So a very specific niche right here. If you don't like the guy, you can just switch it out and just have the flag or use any other type of firefighter clip art. Women can't what? So again, another good one for firefighters who are women, because the majority of the firefighter designs are going to be focused more towards men, but there are women who are firefighters, so this is a really good one in my opinion. My favorite firefighter calls me mom. I actually really like this design. Look how nice this came out. Proud dad of a firefighter. Now we're getting into the health and awareness one. So proud mom of cystic fibrosis warrior. If cystic fibrosis had a face, I'd punch it. There's actually a whole bunch of these health awareness niches that will be trending in May. I probably could have made just like 100 just on health and awareness, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and make sure you get access to all the other types of niches as well. So in May, we wear purple, cystic fibrosis awareness. I wear purple for someone who means everything to me. Cystic fibrosis warriors are magical, so really nice one here with the unicorn. Then we got brain cancer that is going to be trending in May. So I wear gray for brain cancer. I wear gray for my daughter, brain cancer. I make brain cancer look good. Toughest dad ever. I wear gray in memory of my dad, brain cancer awareness. Not all wounds are visible. Brain tumor awareness. I wear gray for my dad, brain cancer awareness. And then we have ALS, so no one fights alone. The Ideogram does a really good job with these gnome designs, I've noticed. I'm an ALS warrior. I wear blue for my grandpa. My God is stronger than ALS. So those are the health and awareness ones. Now we're going to be jumping into the animal ones. So it is some type of bee awareness or appreciation day. So Bumblebee Squad, bee dad, like a regular dad but cooler. Again, we're seeing that phrase. Yes, I do have a retirement plan. I plan on beekeeping. Be happy, be kind. This one turned out really nice. That's why I used it on the thumbnail. I have to go. My girls are waiting. Chihuahua whisper. This phrase works well with a lot of different types of animals. So you can just pop in any type of animal right here and just put whisper after it. Put in a funny image of whatever the animal is wearing some sunglasses. Chihuahua dad. I work hard so my Chihuahua can have a better life. You got to admit, that's pretty funny right there. I got that dog in me with the Chihuahua. So some of these are actually pretty funny. I was normal 2 Chihuahuas ago. Born to be a stay-at-home corgi mom, forced to go to work. I really like that one. Just a girl who loves donkeys. So it's going to be Donkey Appreciation Day or Week in May. I just really like donkeys, okay. Donkey is my spirit animal. Really nice sunset in the back there. Donkey mom. I like donkeys and maybe 3 other people. Always be yourself. Unless you can be a koala, then always be a koala. Don't worry, I'm a qualified nurse. Just a girl who loves koala. I graduate. Can I go back to bed now? Qualified to party. Then we got some good chicken ones. This is actually a really big niche on merch. So Chicken Whisperer, again, like I said right here about the Chihuahua one, you can just take almost any animal and put the word whisper after it, and you got a good chance of getting some sales. I like chickens and maybe like 3 people. I raise tiny dinosaurs. I just want to drink coffee and pet my chickens. This one turned out really nice also. You have to admit, Ideogram is just a great way to design. It's so easy. If I were to have had Ideogram when I first started, I would have, gotten a lot closer to making $1,000 a month a lot sooner, instead of making $500 every month for like a few years, because I had to design myself. I had to hire design. I did not know how to use Photoshop. Now it's just so easy, especially with the design feature on Ideogram. So if you don't have Ideogram, I would definitely recommend it. But buy me chickens and tell me you hate the government. That's another funny one. That's a good one for Americans. Life is better with chickens. Queen Coop. I raise chickens. I'm literally a chicken tender. I love my girls. Just a girl who loves chickens. Now we're going into the food niches. So Donut Squad, life is better with sprinkles. Don't worry, be happy. Just a girl who loves donut. Donut Queen. Sundays are for Jesus and mimosas. Mimosas is when you take orange juice and you mix it with champagne. So Manmosa, this is actually a pretty original one, so it's not a misspell. It's for basically a Manmosa, I believe, is when you take orange juice and put it in a beer. So this is actually for men. So Manmosa is what's for brunch. I didn't know about that niche. Rise and Shine, it's mimosa time. Guess what? The mimosa girls are here. Mimosa drinking team captain. Then we got the lemonade niche. So Lemonade Crew, mom of the lemonade dealer, lemonade stand boss, lemonade security. Now we got burger. So burgerologist, PhD in burger studies, true love, powered by burgers, just a boy who loves burgers, certified burger expert. Then we got barbecue niche. This is another really big niche on merch. So real men smell like BBQ. Why you all up in my grill? Daddy-o of the patio, grilling like a villain, barbecue crew. We got asparagus, kiss my asparagus, asparagus queen. This is my human costume. I'm really an asparagus. I just really like asparagus, okay? And just a girl who loves asparagus. So these are the 100 prompts that will be trending in May. Again, you can get them here on my PayHip shop, 50% off. Usually it's $15, but today it's only $7.50. And if you want these 100 prompts for free, you actually get them when you become a SKOOL member. There'll be, if you sign up for my SKOOL community, you get, you'll see there'll be a post with the 100 prompts, and there'll be a code, a promo code that you can use to go ahead and download those. Now I want to share with you a little bit about my SKOOL community and all the perks and benefits you get if you do decide to join my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. And I named it Mikey's Daily Niche Vault. And the reason why is because every day I send you trending and evergreen niches. Doesn't matter if it's my birthday or the weekend or Christmas, every day you're getting niches. So here's like an example. So 10 days ago, I made this post right here talking about talking about 4 trending niches. So here you get the niche. So that day it was Chainsaw for Bureaucracy. I actually send you or share with you a link of a design that was recently uploaded that's starting to sell. And then you also get a prompt to go with each one of these niches right here that you can use for Ideogram. So here was the first one, second one, and then here is like a couple evergreen ones. Some people just want trending, some people just want evergreen, but I try to do like a little bit of both to make both kinds of people happy. And then here we have what the designs look like. You can actually just take these and upload them if you want to, or you can just use the prompts and make your own designs. So that's what you get every day, but you actually get a lot more, because if you go to the classroom tab right here, so you have the community, but you also have the classroom tab. So I have these GPTs, and these are really valuable, especially this first one right here, this SEO keyword vault. Because what you can do, now you do have to have a paid membership with ChatGPT. Plus it's $20 a month. There's no way I can get around that. But if you have that, what you can do is you can go to this GPT that I created, and you can just type in a niche, or actually just upload design. So let's just go to Merch Dominator. I'm just going to take like this Pi Day, because we got Pi Day coming up. Just let me just show you how cool this is, because I have been getting some questions about it. So we'll just come back here, and we're going to upload that screenshot that we just took. So let's just pretend that this is our design right here. Where is it? Downloads, unloads, and desktop. So screenshot. And you just wait for it to upload, and check how cool this is. So it's going to give us 5 title suggestions. And it's going to suggest us a brand. So right here we're going to see here are the titles options. My internet's kind of slow. Here is some brand names. Then it's going to give us a bullet 1 and a bullet 2. And it knows to load it up with SEO. And it also knows what the terms of service are for merch on demand. It knows not to use any trademark words. Now, it is not 100% perfect. So it can make mistakes. So you do always have to double check. But for the most part, I haven't had any problems so far yet with this GPT, with anything that's trademarked. And then check out this description that it gives. Wow, look at this. 3 paragraphs just loaded with keywords, pi symbol, geek, humor, math teacher, college student. So if you're bad with SEO like I am, or you just don't like writing out all these paragraphs or doing the research, just have AI do it for you. This GPT, it's included in my SKOOL community. And I also have these other GPTs as well. One is for like cross niching. So if you like evergreen niches, or if you have a hard time coming up with ideas, you can go to this. I'm just trying to get my face out the way. You can go to this niche, this crossover GPT right here. You just type in like St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, any type of niche, and it will cross niche with over 100 other evergreen niches to give you some ideas. It gives you like a phrase, it gives you a design idea. I also have this prompt GPT as well, where you can take a prompt and we'll give you different variations. So if you want to like not really follow the crowd, you want to do something kind of unique or different, it will give you 9 unique prompts, similar but with like it's a different kind of spin on it. And you even get some like GPT for keywords for your Amazon ads. And then I also put out like these other value videos that I don't put on my YouTube channel. So like my 3 best design styles, I actually give with you the templates and the PNG files. And there should be 100. Oh yeah, right here. So you get 1,000 evergreen niches just for signing up. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. We also do once a month, like what's it called, a mastermind, where we get together on Zoom and we just bounce ideas off each other, and you get access to me. So there's a whole bunch of benefits that you get. If you're interested, it's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month. People seem to be really liking it. I've been getting some good feedback. You can cancel at any time. So like I said, if you're interested, check it out. If not, it is all good. I will continue making the free content on YouTube. But that is going to be the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch this video right up here, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.